What's up, Force of Willers? My name is Cody Black, also known as Coco Kane. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is the new face you guys are going to be seeing, and these hands, when we are bringing you deck profiles, feature matches, and all the Force of Will content we can at Tavern TCG. I just wanted to let you guys know that I am dedicated to bringing you the best content that I can, and I love hearing all of the feedback that you guys have for me. So please go ahead and leave your comments below for me, and I want to know what deck profiles and all the sorts of material that you guys want to see. Send it at me!